Alright, now here we are unpacking the iPhone. Last time we were unpacking this iPhone Metal iPhone Classic, and now we bought the iPhone and now we're unpacking it.
So here we are.
Alright.
Here's the iPhone.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the new back.
Oh, and here's the camera.
Yeah. Very small.
Yeah.
Then
What's under there? What's that?
designed by Apple in California. Those are
I
the
need that. What is this?
this is for the SIM.
Tips and tricks.
This
The iPhone 3 gigabyte.
3G
Oh, 3G.
cleaning cloth.
I thought it's 3 gigabytes. Okay.
Cleaning cloth.
The cleaning gloves.
Gloves.
Gloves are for the
Yeah.
no. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
So
Okay. Here we got some
this is
helpful gadgets.
this is
For example,
you have to
Stick on it.
stick it in together and then you can load it with the
Put that plastic thing
yeah.
away.
I do it afterwards.
Okay. Now
Yeah, the new earphones.
the earphones.
With
That's nice.
this one. It's
Yeah.
new. And
What do we have over here? Oh, the
USB cable.
Yeah.
Also, you can put this into this. Yeah. So
Okay.
you can do like this.
Oh, and then
Then
put
you
the
put the iPhone in and this,
yeah. Oh.
and then you load it. Like
yeah.
that. So
All right.
that's the new iPhone 3G in Austria,
In Austria,
Linz.
we got that already for the metallic iPhone.
Yeah.
There, I filmed your face, just like that.
So give you that.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's very small. Mhm. When you turn it on.
First time turning on. Oh.
But it's wonderful.
I saw a video on YouTube. There's holographic.
Yeah, like no, that's
Fake?
that's fake. That's not right.
Oh, sure.
So starting up,
A little bit
Coming
long.
up.
Takes a long time. Oh.
no SIM card. Okay.
All right. Do you want to install the SIM card now?
Yeah.
Okay, then do it. Ah, go. Do it. Do it. Do it.
No, I don't put the SIM card in.
You said yes. Just right now.
Let's make a
Just right now.
no.
What?
Let's make a phone call.
Oh, let's make a phone call. Wait. Hold this for a while. I get my mobile phone. Then you're calling.